Department of Business Management ITS present a special guest lecture by Mr. James P. Walsh from International Monetary Fund or IMF. These guest lectures are attended by ITS Business Management students. Keep in touch with me, Fatih Halupna, presenting to you for the next several minutes in ITS News. This guest lecture was held on November 23, 2022, with the theme Global and Indonesia Economic Outlook Amid Geopolitical Uncertainty. The event, which was attended by ITS Business Management students, especially from microeconomics and financial management class, took place in ITS Postgraduate Auditorium. With pride, Mr. Imam Bayahaki, as the Dean of Creative Design and Digital Business Faculty, gave an opening speech for this event.
Di harapan saya nanti agar mahasiswa bisa berdiskusi langsung dengan perwakilan dari IMF Indonesia, bagaimana kondisi perekonomian mendatang, apa yang harus dipelajari oleh mahasiswa dan apa yang harus dihadapi oleh mahasiswa, terutama bagi mahasiswa yang ingin memulai usahanya.
The speaker of this event is Mr. James, as IMF Senior Resident Representative for Indonesia. In his explanation, Mr. James gave some highlights of Indonesia's future priorities, including investing in health, education, and infrastructure, supporting industrialization, and climate change effect, which carry threat to long-term growth and prosperity.
I think the best part about an engineering background is that it gives you a lot of skills that you can use in all kinds of fields. So obviously a country that's growing like Indonesia and where there's important development priorities will need a lot of engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers, physical engineers to build the infrastructure and build the economy in the long run. But also an engineering education can help you if you want to go into other fields. So I know that in Indonesia, a lot of people who do economic policy making, so the people that I talk to the most, many of them also have backgrounds in engineering. So it's a great education to have.
At the end comes the interesting part, the question and answer session directly with Mr. James, and this event was topped with the closing statement by himself. With this activity being held, it is hoped that students will become more knowledgeable about global economic information and able to provide smarter solutions regarding economic and business management problems. I am Fatih Halupna and Muhammad Bagaskara reporting for ITS TV.